guys. So if you're an accountant or an operations person, you'll all agree with me that one of the most strenuous work for an accountant or an operations person is reconciliation, especially if your organization does not have any automated tool that can help you match thousands and millions of data. And reconciliation is one of the processes that you have to actually do on a daily basis. So doing that on a daily basis, especially when you have to do it manually, will give you a lot of migraines. And most people might not even have enough money to deploy an automated tool to help them reconcile the thousands and millions of transactions that they have to do every day. So they end up doing the same manual process every day and complaining of headache every time. But not to worry, we as smart savvy and pro accounting firm, we've developed an inbuilt Excel function called the tax savvy smart data. So the tax savvy smart data will help you reconcile all your transactions running into thousands and millions, as many as Excel could take in a matter of minutes. So all you just have to do is click on a button and then you have your report displayed. So let's quickly demonstrate how this works. So what I'll just do is come here on my Excel tab, which is called the tax savvy smart data, click on the dual records. So but before I do that, I actually have two records that I want to reconcile. So one is the GL statement, which is being displayed on our screen here, and another one, the second one, is the settlement reports. So what is common to the GL statement and settlement report is what is called the unique ID, which is on this column E in the GL statement, and then is on column A in the settlement reports here. So these are the only two items common to both records. So what I will just need to do, if I want to reconcile these two records, I'll just come here, click on my dual record match and follow the prompts. So if I want to generate a unique ID myself, it will tell me what to do. But since I already have a unique ID, I'll just click on no. And then it will ask me to select the unique ID column in my first record. I've selected it. And also in the second record, which is the settlement reports, which is on column A. Then the next thing it will ask me is I should select the amount column in the first record, which I've done. I'll click on OK. And then I should also do the same thing in the settlement reports, the amount column, which is on column B. And then watch as my dual record match does its magic within a matter of seconds. So voila, it's ready. The report is ready. So this is it will generate a summary report, and also in each of those individual records, it will also generate the match status. So you can see the match status here in column H and I. So it will, the extracted unique ID is in column H, and the match status is in column I. So it will tell you those ones that exactly match. Not only that, it will also tell you those ones that partially match. As you can see on my screen, partial match 1 to 2. In other words, in the GL statement, I have one unique ID, but in the settlement report, I have 2. So it will also tell me those ones that didn't match at all, which is exact non-match. So the same thing, if you go to your GL statement, it will tell you the match status. So the match status here is here also. So it will tell you the same thing, those ones that exactly match, and those ones that partially match, and those ones that did not even match at all. And the most beautiful thing about this is it will also give you a summary report here, which is displayed there. So it will give you a summary of those ones that exactly matched, those ones that did not match at all, and those ones that partially matched. And it will also give you the interpretation of this, as well as the corrective steps to take to correct those things. So if you're actually interested in this, just comment savvy in the comment section below with your email address, and I'll reach out to you on how to install this smart data into your Excel. So you don't have to be paying for any monthly subscription, and it does not require internet usage. Just one single installation and it is ready for use. And there are some bonus items here. So you also have the single match record, where you need to identify if a single record has some duplicates or unique entries, and also the filter record, where you can filter just few transactions out of millions of transactions. So I'll be expecting you in the comment section. Thank you.